Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove and assemble your warning triangle of your Mercedes-Benz C180. Let's open the boot lid. Yeah, good side. Easy, and there it is. Nice and easy. Now, go and unlock the right and left lock. Then you are able to rotate the cover, and after this there's one little lock in the center, and now it's unlocked. You have removed the triangle for safety. Good job. Now, setting up the warning triangle, fold the feet down and out of the side, and fold side reflectors upwards to form a triangle, and lock them at the top using press the start. Good job. Now press the start in position, and your triangle is nearly assembled. Good job. If you have an accident or a fail function on the road, place the assembled triangle about 100 until 200 meters far away of your car, because of the other cars which are going on the road through you. I hope they do not go through you, because they are warned by your using a warning triangle. 100 meter until 200 meter as signal. That is important in case of emergency. Use it. It will life changes, because you are going to continue your life. This is really important. If the accident is done, all things are repaired, and you are going to drive forward more, disassemble your triangle. This is important too, because maybe you need it another day. For this, press the start, and to unlock the cover, then fold fold the side reflectors down in position. Take care of these red parts, and then press them back in the storage position. Good job. Then use the other side to cover it on top, and have a look that the reflection side is on the front of your triangle. That is important, because we are going to reassemble it to our boot lid. Okay? Yeah, good. Now we are going back to the car. Open your trunk again and reassemble the triangle again. Have a look that the reflection area is on top, because this is the second security part. If you open your trunk, everyone in the back is seen that you open the trunk. Now, as you can see, push it back in position, and job's done. So easy it is. Use your safety triangle and assemble and reassemble it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.